shot them with the Glock. Tell them not jam me out. Why them want jam me out? Tell them not jam me out. Now someone life get out. Tell them not jam me out. Why them want jam me out? Tell them not jam me out. Murder them road. Machine pop out. What it's all about? You run up your mouth. Now you get gunning out. You should have watched your speech. Yo, you should not do it. Look, you never see it. Copper shot side you teeth. Practice what you preach. Pussy talk cheap. Bout them a bad man. Some fool don't know what this. Pick up the real McCoy. Garrison cowboy. What's your profession? Kill them 300 strong. I'm a warrior. One not a follower. Breaking this barrier. Free up the prisoner. Garrison life first. Kids and wife first. Protect your life first. Gideon a verse. Tell them not jam me out. Why them want jam me out? Tell them not jam me out. Now someone life get out. Tell them not jam me out. Why them want jam me out? Tell them don't jam me out. Murder them road. We rise the children to be warriors. Babylon Rasta youths ain't no followers. Yes, I see earth rightful ruler. A lot of propaganda them spreading on the meter. Lies and their lies, they tell us to keep us down. Tell the youth them the truth about the Garrison. Hey, these street side knowledge no sees. That our youths never live it come see it. Hey, that's how we tweet. Tell them not jam me out. Why them want jam me out? Tell them not jam me out. Now someone life get out. Tell them not jam me out. Why them want jam me out? Tell them don't jam me out. Murder them road. Machine pop out. What it's all about? You run up your mouth. Now you get gunning out. And you should not do it. Should have watched your speech. Look, you never see it. Gunshot lick out your teeth. Practice what you preach. Fussy talk cheap. But them a bad man. Some fool don't know what this. Pick up the real McCoys. Garrison cowboys. What's your profession? Kill them 300 strong.